Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can ship internationally on Depop. So in order to ship internationally on Depop, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Depop international shipping works much in the same way as domestic shipping does. The cost of the sending packaging will depend on the size, weight, and how far it has to travel, and you're unlikely to know where you'll need to send the item to when you first list something for sale. So in that way you can ship internationally on Depop, and additionally you can go through the information that has been provided by the website itself on blog.depop.com. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below, and there you can find information on how you can actually ship internationally on Depop. That's basically how you can ship internationally on Depop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.